Welcome back to another interesting tutorial from Top Web Technologies. Here we are going to learn how to create a brand new YouTube channel and get it ready for video upload. Let's get started. Open your Chrome browser and log into your Gmail account. At the top right corner, click the 9 dots, then select YouTube in the list. Allow it to load completely, then click your Gmail profile picture at the top right corner. In the drop-down, you will see an option to create a new YouTube channel. Enter a name for your channel here. And then click Create. That is it, you have created a new channel, but no content and no customization. Now, let's make our channel look professional by adding custom designs and some configurations. In the list by the left-hand side, click Settings. Then Channel Status and Features. Here we are going to add basic information about our channel, like our preferred currency, channel location, channel category, tags, and also verify our contact number. Those are the basic settings for a new channel. Now let's add some designs. This is where you create layouts for your channel. Here you can add channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. Featured video for returning subscribers here. And you can create featured sections for shorts and uploads here. In this section, we will add our channel logo, banner, and watermark. Here we will add a brief description about our channel. You can see the channel link which you can share to people. We will also add contact email. After inputting all the details, click on Publish. And that is it. Let's see what our channel looks like. Cool, right? You are ready to start uploading videos. One more thing. Ensure you add your phone number and verify, else you will not be able to upload long videos. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, share and subscribe.